pictures here. Diagonals of a parallelogram intersect each other at point O. This quadrilateral A, B, C, D diagonals are AC and another diagonal is BD intersect at point O, that is given. AO is 5. This AO distance is 5. BO is 12. This BO distance is 12. And AB, length of AB side is 13. Then show that quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Property for a rhombus is on diagonals. What is the property of rhombus? That property we study in 8th standard and also in 9th standard we study that property. These two diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors to each other. That is the property. And this is parallelogram. This quadrilateral is a parallelogram. For parallelogram, for diagonal, which is the property for diagonal of parallelogram? Yes, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other and only bisect. And for rhombus, one word increase. Before bisect, one word is increased. Which word? Perpendicular. And bisect becomes OR join to bisect. It becomes bisector, perpendicular bisector. For perpendicular, what is important? Yes, when we say that these two diagonals are perpendicular, if angle between them are 90 degrees, then we can say that both diagonals are perpendicular. For showing 90 degree, here we get 90 degree means this triangle is of type right angled triangle. We show this triangle is right angled triangle by given length of sides. Can we say this is right angled triangle by using sides? What is the property? If largest side square is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides, then we can say that that triangle is a right angled triangle. Then largest side in triangle, name of that triangle is triangle AOB, correct? Tell largest side, that is AB, is equal to 30. Largest side square, that is AB square, means 13 square. And square of 13 is 169, that is equation 1. Then what is essential? Sum of squares of remaining two sides. Sum of squares of remaining two sides. What is the meaning of that sentence? Going upper of head. I don't. Property, our best property. Yes. Sum of squares of remaining two sides, that is correct. BO square. Sum of squares of two sides. Sum means addition plus another side is AO square. Good answer. Next, substitute value. BO square means BO is 12 and square. After next step we do square. Direct for scholarship. Here steps are important. Plus AO square. AO is 13. Where is 13? Can you see that figure? Can you see? You don't see? Plus 5 square is equal to 12 square is 144 plus 5 square is 25 is equal to 169. How many students get addition 169? Yes, good. That is equation 2. From equations 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. Equation 1, 169 and equation 2, 169. Means both values are equal. Means both steps are equal. Take that steps. Who give music? Musics. From that area, good musics are there. Yes, because of cold. From equation 1 and 2, this is right side. This is right side. Right side is similar, therefore left side is similar. That is AB square is equal to BO square plus AO square. Yes. Tell here AB square is equal to BO square plus AO square. Largest side is opposite of dot dot. Largest side square is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides. This is the property of Yes. Which property? Which theorem's property? Next. That is which theorem? If triangle is right angled, then we can use Pythagoras theorem, and by Pythagoras theorem, what we write? By Pythagoras theorem. When we use Pythagoras theorem, if triangle is right angled triangle, then we can use Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, what we write? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. And same we get here. Here steps goes in this way. That step present here. Means after that we write its opposite. Means it is called as sentence. We write opposite. Then it is called as next part is the previous part and previous part is the next part. It is called as good converse. We write in reverse order, means here that theorem become converse of Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, by converse of Pythagoras theorem, we can tell that triangle is right angled triangle. Name of triangle is at the starting triangle AOB is a good right angled triangle. That is, which angle is 90 degree? This hypotenuse square, hypotenuse is opposite to right angle. Is it correct? Side opposite to 90 degree is called as hypotenuse. And here hypotenuse is AB, hypotenuse square, means AB is the hypotenuse, means its opposite angle is how many degree? 90 degree. Yes. Measure of angle, tell again name. AOB, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Here angle AOB, this angle is 90 degree, means diagonal AC and diagonal BD are no. Gone. Yes, correct. Here angle is 90 degree, means both diagonal are perpendicular. That is a perfect mathematical answer. Here 90 degree means both diagonal are perpendicular, and that we say in previous before some time I tell that diagonals are perpendicular, and perpendicular and bisect means perpendicular bisector. That concept I tell before some time, forgot all student, only one student remember. That is called as concentration, only concentration. 2 times and 5 times. Yes, diagonal is first diagonal is AC. Yes, segment AC, and segment another diagonal is BD. R means segment AC is perpendicular to segment BD. That is sine form. But quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, and diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Here, therefore, diagonals of a parallelogram are bisect each other. Means which diagonals bisect each other? Segment AC bisect segment BD. Segment AC and segment BD are bisect each other. That is sentence 2, and here this is sentence 1. From sentence 1 and 2, sentence 1 we show here. Segment AC and segment BD are perpendicular. Segment this AC and BD are perpendicular, and segment AC and BD are bisect. Therefore, perpendicular and bisect, one word we get here. Yes. Therefore, segment AC and segment BD are, repeat again, perpendicular bisector of each other, and therefore diagonals of a parallelogram are perpendicular bisector, then it is a rhombus. If diagonals of a parallelogram are perpendicular bisectors, then it is a rhombus. By that theorem or by that property, we can say that quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus, and that is the asking question. Show that quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Hence the proof. This is the method of solution. Is any difficulty? Write down.